Once upon a time, in a jungle, a mother duck and her little ducklings lived together. They were living a very happy and peaceful life. The mother duck was teaching her children how to survive and live in the jungle. Every day, she took them around and taught them how to explore their surroundings. The ducklings always followed their mother closely. One day, while they were together, suddenly a fox appeared. The little ducklings got scared and quickly ran to hide behind a rock. Their mother rushed towards them and protected them, then quickly led them away to safety. But the fox started chasing them. The mother duck and her ducklings kept running and running until they reached a river. With no other choice, one by one, they all jumped into the river to save their lives. The fox also jumped into the river, trying to catch them. But unfortunately, the fox did not know how to swim and drowned. The mother duck and her ducklings stayed safe and survived together. Moral: a wise leader protects others and teaches them how to stay safe. With courage, unity, and guidance, even danger can be overcome.